students, we are going to start the new topic, that is guarantee. First, you have to know about that. What is the meaning of guarantee? Guarantee means when the two or one partners is given the guarantee to other partners, if his profit is less than of the given amount, then that difference amount covered by the partners who is giving the guarantee. As like that, if three partners is there, A, B and C. Okay, beta? Just think three partners is there, A, B and C. And A and B is given the guarantee of C, they will get 50,000 minimum profit every year. Okay, beta? 50,000 minimum profit every year. Okay. So, if the profit of the year is, it's a 2:1 ratio is this. Profit of the year is first 5 lakh. If profit is 5 lakh, then if profit is 5 lakh, then dividing these all, then 2 lakh, 2 lakh and 1 lakh. And he is getting the guarantee of 50,000. So he is getting the more than 50,000. So no need to any adjustment because he is getting what he is receiving as a guarantee. Okay, beta? But just opposite. If the profit amount is 2,50,000, then 1 lakh and 50,000. Again, his cover is okay. Okay, beta? He gets full. No problem with that. But in next case, if profit is 1,50,000, then beta 60,000 and 30,000. Then A and B is given the guarantee, beta. For what? For this case, any kind of deficiency of the guarantee that will cover by the A and B and cover in a profit sharing ratio. Profit sharing ratio, beta. Cover in profit sharing ratio. Okay, beta. Then 20,000 less. It means 20,000 add here, and this 20,000 share by the A and B. 2:2 means 1:1. It means less from here 10,000 and 10,000 here, and that total amount will add in C. This is called guarantee. This is called beta guarantee. These all things you will done after the making of PLA appropriation account. When we are making the PLA appropriation account, then distribute that profit. Okay, beta? Then distribute that profit. After the distributing, we are going to show this guarantee system. Okay, beta? Clear? And this guarantee is given by one to all. Maybe A and B both are given the guarantee to C. C and A given the guarantee to B. Only C given the guarantee to B. Only A given the guarantee to C. It means we are only follow the question. In the question, what should be given? That things we are going to follow. Okay, beta? I think well clear about that. How we are going to manage this guarantee. If partner is given the guarantee to the partners, and that partners will get less amount of the to the guarantee, so then less amount or deficient amount covered by the partners who is given the guarantee in his profit sharing ratio. Okay, beta? Clear? Now I am going to solve some question on the basis of this. Okay, beta? So first question of the guarantee case. Kishan, read the question.
Yes, sir. A, B, C are the partners in the firm. Their profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1. However, However, she is guaranteed a minimum amount of 10,000 as sharing of profit every year. Any deficiency arising on the account shall be met by A. The profit of the 2 year ending 31st March 2020 and 21 were 30,000 and 90,000
And
respectively.
90,000. Second year, 90,000.
Prepare profit and loss appropriation account for 2 years.
Okay. What is the profit sharing ratio, beta?
So 3:2:1.
3:2:1. Okay. Now we are going to make the PL application. For that, we are not going to make any adjustment or any adjustment table. We are only going to make the PL appropriation account only. PL appropriation account. Just make. I think we know about the PL appropriation. First, by profit. Profit amount, beta, 30,000. No any expenses there, beta. If any expenses
No,
are
sir.
given, then just this profit will distribute in a partners. So 2 profit A, B, and C. Okay, beta. Just 30,000 divided 3:2:1. What amount will come? 3:2:1. 15,000, 10,000, and
5,000.
5,000. Okay, beta. 15,000, 10,000, 5,000. But now the case is coming of guarantee. C have the guarantee minimum 10,000. It means we are going to add 5,000 more here, beta. Then to 10,000 or not? When we are going to add 5,000 more, then its amount is 10,000, and this 5,000 covered by the A and B in the ratio of 3:2. 3:2 in his profit sharing ratio. Thus 5,000 divided 3:2, so 3,000 and 2,000 minus. This amount is 12,000. This amount 8,000, and here 10,000. On this way, we are going to solve the question. Okay, beta. If the case of guarantee is there, then we are solve on this way the question. Okay. Both things we are showing. By the showing of that, any teachers want to see the question, they are well known about the, what are doing here. Okay. The working note, full working note is coming in the question. No need to make the working note outside. Okay. Now I am going for the second PL appropriation. Okay, beta. Just profit. This year profit is 90,000. Then by profit 90,000. This profit is said because no any expenses there. So then 90,000 to profit and distribute in A, B, and C. Just distribute this 90,000 in A, B, and C. What amount will come? 45,000, 30,000, and 15,000. Here the guarantee of C only 10,000, but he get what amount? 50,000. It means no need to adjustment, no need to adjust anything, or no need to get anything from the other partners and give to C. Okay, beta. I think well clear the case. How to adjust and how we are going to show this case. Clear, beta?
Yes.
Everyone? Now I am going to solve some more question. I think it's well clear. If the guarantee is there and guarantee amount is 10,000, but he get only 5,000, so difference amount or deficient amount given by the partners who is given the guarantee. Okay, beta? This is the way. This is the way what we are following. Okay, beta? What we are following, this is the way. Okay? Clear? How we are showing? It's clear or not? Clear, beta? Now I'm going to start other question. Second question. Wait. Then we are
X,
going
Y.
to start. Wait. Then we are going to start. Okay. Tell me. X, Y, and Z.
are the partners with capital of 4 lakh, 3 lakh, and 2 lakh respectively. They charge 8% per annum interest on their capital and divide the profit in the ratio of 3:2:1. X has guaranteed that jet shall not amount less than 50,000 in any other 1 year.
Okay. And interest rate, beta?
The interest 8% per annum.
8%. And profit?
Profits are 3:2:1.
Profit amount?
Profit the 4 lakh, 3 lakh, 2 lakh. What? So 50,000. 50.
Jet hand getting the guarantee not less than 50,000, beta?
Yes, sir.
So profit amount is given or not? Read the full question.
Sir, profit not given.
It's given, sir. It's
नीचे
written.
दिया। सर अभी और क्वेश्चन है उसके आगे।
Okay, read it.
The drawing during the year were 50,000, 40,000, 35,000 respectively.
50,000,
40,000, 35,000,
50,000 and
35,000 respectively.
5,000. Okay.
Net profit of the year before providing interest on capital was 2,52,000.
2 lakh
52,000. 52.
52,000. Okay. Next.
Prepare PL appropriation account and capital account.
Okay, PL application and capital. We are going to make both. Okay, beta. I think you will understand the capital also, but we are going to adjustment in a PL appropriation. So first, we are going to make the PL appropriation account. Okay, beta. Then first buy profit. Okay, and profit amount is 252. Okay, only interest on capital is given. Interest on capital. Now, beta, only interest on capital. X, Y, and Z. No other expense is there. No other income is there. Only interest on capital is given. No salary, no commission, no interest on drawing. These all are not given. Okay. Just calculate 8%. What amount is coming?
30, 32,
32,000, then
24,
24,000, then
16.
the total amount is
22,000.
72,000. So 252. Right on this side. I think PL appropriation is, remember na beta, how we are showing total
Yes.
252, then 252, then profit. Profit amount beta 180. Calculate. Just divide in a X, Y, and Z. Okay, beta. X, Y, and Z. 180 in the ratio of 3:2:1, and 1. 3:1.
1.
Okay, beta.
Yes, sir.
3, 2, and 1. Three, two, one. Then 186.
Sir, 70,000, 60,000, and 50,000.
90,000, 60,000, and 30,000.
70,000. 70, 60, 50, no?
It's 3,216. This, right? 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 1, 3.
Wait.
Beta, but here guarantee to Z by who? Who is going to guarantee? X. So Z 50,000, but Z is getting only 30, means 20,000, and his amount is 50,000, and this 20,000 less from where? Less from X only, because he is giving the guarantee. Because he is the one giving the guarantee. Okay, beta? Okay, beta?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Now I am going to make the P capital account. Just see capital. Three partners there, beta. X, Y, Z. First, what we are showing? First, we are showing by balance PD. His capital 4 lakh, 3 lakh, and 2 lakh. Okay, clear? Then by interest on
Cap.
by interest on
Capital.
capital, and interest on capital is 32,000,
24,000, 16,000.
16,000. Okay. Then profit. Then profit. 70,000, 60,000, and 50,000. Okay. Then side two drawing. Only drawing is given, beta. No interest on drawing. Then
No, sir.
40,000 and 35,000. Okay, beta. Just total it. 2,66,000. Okay. This side 3,84,000. This side 5,02,000. Okay. It's the 30. 5,02,000, 3,84,000, and 2,66,000. Two lakh 31,000, 3,44,000, 4,52,000 to balance CD. On this way, we are going to present full question. Okay. On this way, we are going to present full question. Okay. Clear? First, make the PL appropriation account, then make the capital account. Clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
This way, we are going to make the capital account and PL appropriation account. Okay.
Yes.
Clear? Everyone clear, beta? I think well clear about that. Go for the next question. Wait for that. Then I'm going for the next question. You shall switch off your mic when I am tell then on. Okay, beta? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, read the next question.
S, T, W, and X are the partners sharing profit in the ratio of 4:3. The S, T, W, X. S,
STW. Okay.
X. Sir, X भी है, 4 है, 4 है.
Okay.
4:3:2:1.
4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
X is given a guarantee that his share of profit in any given year would be 80,000.
80,000.
Deficiency, if any, would be borne by other partners equally. The profit of the year.
They are taking this guarantee, beta. Here the cases, new cases coming. They are taking this guarantee if it is there, then equal. Okay, beta. Next.
Ended 31st March 2021. Amount to 6,50,000.
6,50,000. And
Past necessary entries in the book of the firm.
okay, necessary entry. After the making of PL appropriation, we are going to make the entry. Okay, beta. So then PL appropriation for the profit. Switch off the mic. By PL 65, 6,50,000. Same amount is coming this side. Okay. Three partner. Profit S T W X. 10, 65. He is getting 65, 130, and 195. Okay, beta, and 260. Okay, beta, this amount is came. This amount is came, beta. Now
Yes.
his profit is less than 80,000 because the guarantee of what? 80,000. Na beta. So then add
15,000.
that amount is 80,000, and that 15,000 divided these three in equal. 15,000 three part 555. Less from here 5,000. Less from here 5,000. Less from here 5,000. Then 255, 190, and 120.
125. 5.
What entry we done? All of this go to the X. So this means S capital account debit, T capital account debit, W capital account debit, 2X capital. In X, 15,000. Here, 5,000, 5,000, and 5,000. Okay, beta. All 5,000, 5,000, and 5,000. On this way, we are going to make the PL appropriation account, and then after making the journal entry. Okay, beta. Clear? Everyone clear, beta? On this way, we are doing the question. Okay.
Yes, sir.